Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. So in this video we are going to discuss some chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. So because of their high ionization, low ionization enthalpies and high electropositive nature, the valence shell electrons are easily removed. Therefore, this alkaline earth metals exhibit +2 oxidation state. Therefore, these elements are readily reacts with certain compounds or water, dry air, etc. It readily reacts with these compounds to form resultant products. So what are the various chemical reactions responsible for taking place in the case of alkaline earth metals? First of all, the reactivity towards air or oxygen. The alkaline earth metals being less electropositive than alkali metals react with air or oxygen slowly. Air or oxygen, it reacts very slowly, but on heating only the reaction takes place. Beryllium and magnesium are kinetically inert towards oxygen because of the formation of film on its surfaces. Beryllium and magnesium are chemical kinetically inert because when we are exposing these two elements on the open places, the air react with the surface of the beryllium and magnesium, it forms a thin film of oxides. Once these oxides are formed, further action is prevented. But on heating, beryllium on strong heating, it gives beryllium oxide. Strong heating, beryllium on strong heating reacts with oxygen on strong heating gives beryllium oxide. Formula for beryllium oxide, BeO. Beryllium oxide, the formula for beryllium oxide is BeO. 2 molecules of beryllium reacts with oxygen gives beryllium oxide. And similarly, it reacts with nitrogen also. Beryllium reacts with nitrogen. Beryllium reacts with nitrogen on heating gives beryllium nitride, Be3N2. Be3N2. 3 molecules of beryllium reacts with nitrogen gives beryllium nitride. This is beryllium oxide, this is beryllium nitride. Magnesium on reaction with air. Similar way, magnesium on reaction with air. Air consists of oxygen and nitrogen. It gives magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride. Magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride. 5 molecules of magnesium reacts with oxygen gives magnesium oxide and magnesium nitride. So the reactivity towards this air or oxygen increases down the group. Then reactivity towards hydrogen. So the alkaline earth metals readily react with hydrogen, dihydrogen. It gives metal hydrides. The beryllium and magnesium is not easily react with this hydrogen. But calcium readily reacts with hydrogen. Calcium readily reacts with hydrogen gives calcium hydride. Calcium readily reacts with hydrogen gives calcium hydride. Beryllium hydride can prepared by beryllium hydride cannot prepare directly, but it prepared by using beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride reacts with lithium aluminum hydrate, is a strong reducing agent. Beryllium chloride reacts with lithium aluminum hydrate gives beryllium hydride. Beryllium chloride reacts with lithium aluminum hydrate, is a strong reducing agent, gives beryllium hydride. Lithium chloride. Beryllium chloride, lithium chloride and aluminum chloride as the product. Beryllium hydride cannot prepare directly, but beryllium chloride reacts with lithium aluminum chloride, gives beryllium hydride, lithium chloride and aluminum hydride. This calcium hydride is known as hydrolith. This compound is called hydrolith. Calcium hydride is called hydrolith. And this calcium hydride on hydrolysis, this compound calcium hydride on hydrolysis with water, it gives calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. Calcium hydride on reaction with water gives calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. Next, reaction with acids. Reaction with acids. So, these alkali metals, especially magnesium, reacts with dilute acids. Dilute hydrochloric acid gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. Calcium reacts with hydrochloric acid, gives calcium chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. This calcium reacts with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid gives calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas is liberated. So, the majority of the alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals reacts with acids, it liberates hydrogen gas. So, magnesium, calcium, strontium and beryllium do not react with sodium hydroxide. This compound does not react with, the elements does not react with sodium hydroxide and they are purely basic in nature. Then reaction towards halogens is normally all the alkaline earth metals readily reacts with halogens. It gives the metal halides of formula, general formula MX2, general formula. For example, calcium reacts with fluorine, gives calcium fluoride. Magnesium reacts with chlorine, gives magnesium chloride. And barium reacts with chlorine, gives barium chloride. These are compounds. So, readily alkaline earth metals readily reacts with halogens to form metal halides. And reactivity with ammonia. Here also, like that of alkali metals, this alkaline earth metals also readily reacts with ammonia to form deep blue black precipitate of ammoniated compound. Deep blue black precipitate of ammoniated compounds. And reducing power. Like that of alkali metals, alkaline earth metal also shows the large negative electropotential values. Therefore, they are act as a best reducing agents. And because of its small size leads to relatively large negative value of its hydration enthalpy. So, these are the some general chemical properties of this alkaline earth metals. Now, some uses of alkaline earth metals. Beryllium is used to manufacture of alloys. For example, copper beryllium alloy is used in the preparation of high strength springs. Copper beryllium alloy, which is highly useful for preparing high strength springs. Metallic beryllium is used for making windows of X-ray tube. X-ray tubes are, and its windows are made by using this beryllium. Magnesium is the largest constructional metal in the industry, having a density less than 2/3 of aluminium. We know that the magnalumin and duralumin is the alloys. Especially magnalumin is an alloy which is highly used for making the parts of aeroplane engines because of its light weight. Magnesium is used for cathodic protection. Other metals as oxygen scavenger is protect oxygen is used as cathodic protection. Other metal as oxygen scavenger. In the form of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, we know that is an organometallic compounds. Alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. The compound is Grignard reagent is prepared with the help of magnesium, which is used for making other or preparing other organic compounds, especially primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols are highly useful for prepared by the use of this Grignard reagent. Compounds of magnesium such as magnesium hydroxide and magnesium carbonate are used for making toothpaste. Magnesium hydroxide and magnesium carbonate. Magnesium hydroxide, that is milk of magnesia, it is an effective antacids to neutralize the excess of acid in stomach. Magnesium is used as a deoxidizer for removing traces of oxygen from the extraction of copper, steel, etc. Calcium is a powerful reducing agent, and therefore it is used for the extraction of metal from their oxide in metallurgy. The metallurgical process, because of their excellent reducing power, it is used as a reducing agent for extracting various metals. It is used to remove the traces of air from vacuum tubes, since it has strong affinity for both nitrogen and oxygen. It is used to remove the last traces of moisture from alcohol. Compounds of calcium such as limestone, that is calcium carbonate, gypsum, calcium sulfate and calcium sulfate dihydrate, CaSO4.2H2O, used as constituents of cement and mortar. When alloyed with lead, it is used for cable coverings. When alloyed with aluminum, it is used as casting and casting. Radium and its salts are highly useful in radiation therapy, that is the treatment of cancer. Radium is very much important than its chemistry in the field of radiation, that is these compounds are highly useful for the treatment of cancer. These are some important uses of alkaline earth metals. I conclude this topic. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.